महावदन्नाय कृष्णवेदाय कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य गौरक्षते
सही है ना?
कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सर्वभक्ति श्री कृष्ण श्री कृष्ण गोविंदानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासति श्री गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे राम 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 हरे हरे
गुरुदेव कॉमन उसमें होगा हाँ मंत्र है कोई सा भी ले आओ
महाराज एवं निकलेगा श्री महाराज का अनंतपुरी शास्त्र पश्चात निकलेगा एवं समस्त विष्णु के चरणों में मेरा आज अवस्था सुबह से इसमें विशेष करके सनातन विश्व की आज चिरभाव की है और साथ ही साथ व्यास पूजा की महामहोत्सव आषाढ़ी पूर्णिमा है। व्यासदेव कृष्ण की आज आविर्भाव तिथि मनाते हैं, व्यास पूजा करते हैं। यद्यपि शिष्य गुरुदेव की आविर्भाव तिथि की व्यास पूजा करते हैं, आज इस व्यास पूजा की विशेष वैशिष्ट हमें चैतन्य महाप्रभु दिखाया। कृष्ण देवरान वेद व्यास के आविर्भाव तिथि चैतन्य महाप्रभु एक विशेष रूप में प्रकाश किया। यद्यपि अद्वैतवादी संप्रदाय
थोड़ा सा ट्रांसलेट करो, मैं आ रहा हूँ।
ये व्यास की विशेष प्रचलित है।
हरे कृष्ण।
क्योंकि अद्वैतवादी संप्रदाय में
इन Advaita Sampradaya, Vyas Puja is celebrated in a special way on the Ashada Purnima. Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada says the Advaitavadis Vyasa Pujas is not actual Vyasa Puja. Why? They accept Vyasadeva, but they do not accept the teachings of Vyasadeva in full-fledged. So it is said half hen philosophy, half hen or cock. They accept Guru, but they do not accept the teachings of Guru. So they accept only half. Kukuti means hen or cock.
जो अंडा देते हैं क्या मुर्गी है? मुर्गी जो है जिस एक तरफ अंडा देते एक तरफ खाती।
The cock or hen gives one side, it lays the egg, another side it eats.
पिताजी मर जाने के बाद उसके दोनों भाई जो है पिताजी की सारी संपत्ति जो है आधा आधा भाग कर गया।
In a family, after father died, the two brothers divided the property equally. Now one cock or hen is there. Now how they will make half?
सामने के भाग और पीछे के भाग। सामने के भाग जो है
So divided the front part and the back part. So one who takes the front part, he should feed the hen, and one who takes the back part, he will enjoy the egg.
नहीं, दोनों की लेना पड़ेगा। पीछे और
But it is not practical. One should take both.
अद्वैतवादी लोग वैष्णव के मानते हैं, पूजा करते हैं।
So what is the conclusion?
किंतु वैष्णव की
The Advaitvadis accept Vyasadeva, but they do not accept his teachings and vichar.
इस संदर्भ में श्रील प्रभुपाद
In this Sandarbha, Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada says, and Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also says in Chaitanya Charitamrita.
क्या कहते हैं?
What does Advaitvadi says?
स्वीकार नहीं करना चाहते। व्याससूत्र कोरिया से परिणामवाद है? व्याससूत्र
They do not
कोरिया से
take the
परिणामवाद,
Parinamva, transformation.
व्याससूत्र कोरिया से परिणामवाद। व्यास भ्रांत बोली उठाई लो विवाद। व्याससूत्र में क्या लिखा गया?
In Vyas Sutra, what is written? Parinamva, transformation.
परिणाम किसको कहा जाता है? परिणामवाद के बारे में थोड़ा दो शब्द की तरह विचार करें। एक शब्द वस्तु से दूसरे शब्द वस्तु से प्रकट होता है।
From one
वो शब्द वस्तु पृथक होता है।
true thing to another true thing.
उसी के कहता है परिणाम कहा जाता है। परिणामवाद जैसे दूध किसी जामुन आदि के द्वारा संमिश्रण में वो दूध क्या हो जाता है? विकार प्राप्त होकर के दही बन जाता है।
Like how the milk becomes yogurt.
दही
The milk's vikar has become yogurt.
यहाँ पर एक विशेष वैशिष्ट्य क्या है? दूध से तो
So here what is the speciality? From the milk we can make curd, but from the curd we cannot make the milk.
जीव प्रकट हुई।
The Advaitavadis accept, sorry, so from the Brahma Jeev appeared. From the Jeev, Jeev cannot become the Brahma.
तो ब्रह्म की उत्पत्ति आदि को स्वीकार करना पड़ेगा। अद्वैतवादी की मूल विचार में विषय क्या है? ब्रह्म निराकार निर्विशेष और
Hare Krishna. So what is the philosophy of Advaitvadi? They think that this Brahma doesn't have any kinds of form. Doesn't have any. They don't accept the Sachidanand Akar of Bhagwan. So they said that Ishvara in Bhagwan, he is Mike. He doesn't have any kind of form. He is just Nirbrahm, Nirvishesh. But they don't want to accept the Sachidanand Vigraha of Bhagwan. Just like so Badaji body is, it is made by the 5 kinds of elements. They used to say that Bhagwan and Ishwar, he doesn't have Sachidanand Vigraha. So that Brahma, just because for a special work, he descended in this world for covered with Maya. And they kill the demons and they leave the Mike body.
ईश्वर क्या करते हैं? माइक शरीर को छोड़ देता और फिर ब्रह्म में जाकर के विलीन हो जाता है।
So this Ishwar, he left the Mike body and he submerged into the Brahma. So this is the biggest fall of that Mayavadi. They think that Bhagwan have a Mike body.
जीव और ब्रह्म में क्या करो? जीव और ईश्वर में क्या अंतर है?
So there is no difference between Jeev and Ishwar according to that philosophy.
आकृष्ट
So Jeev is attracted and covered by the Maya,
जड़ शरीर
and he got the mic body.
भगवान की जड़ शरीर नहीं
So Bhagwan doesn't have mic body. He has Sachidanand Vigraha. Ishvara Sachidanand Vigraha
आदि गोविंद सर्व
Karanam.
ब्रह्म
So it is mentioned the Brahma Samhita. Brahmaji is mentioning that Bhagwan's body had Sachidanand. Bhagwan has Sachidanand body. But the Advaitvadi and Mayavadi, they don't accept the Sachidanand Vigraha of Bhagwan.
और भगवान के शरीर के क्या थे
And this is Bhagwan has the mic body.
ये दोष
So this is the biggest fall of Mayavadi.
शरीर में क्या हो जाए
What happens in the mic body?
विकार
There are 6 kinds of faults in mic body.
इसलिए ये दोष दिखाते हैं इसलिए अद्वैतवादी की जो कहते हैं ये वैसूत्र लिखा थे परिणाम पाद ये परिणाम पाद को स्वीकार करना
So that's why this Advaitvadi doesn't accept the transformation. If they accept the transformations,
ब्रह्म निराकार निर्विशेष निरंजन
so if they accept the transformation, so their own philosophy that Bhagwan has Sachidanand Vigraha, so on Bhagwan, their philosophy that Bhagwan has Nirvishesh, Nirakar, Brahma, so that will be destroyed.
तो कहते हैं व्यास
So sometimes they used to say that Vyas has got mad. He got he got mad. That's why he has written something like this. Because Vyasdev didn't write like that. So they say if you ask them, then you accept the Vyas, but you are not accepting the philosophy of Vyasdev. So they used to say that Vyas got mad when he was writing that.
हम किसे करें अद्वैतवादी के जो व्यास पूजा का गुरु पूजा
So the Advaitvadi Vyas Puja and Guru Puja, it is not complete. Because
विचार को नहीं
they are not accepting the philosophy of his Guru, the Vyasdev.
इसलिए भक्ति आपने प्रभुपाद
That's why Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada is written
व्यास पूजा गुरु पूजा यथार्थ नहीं है
that Advaitvadi and the Mayavadi's Vyas Puja is just a joking, laughing. It's just a joke, nothing else.
इसलिए चैतन्य महाप्रभु इसी विचार को खंडित करके
That's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu destroyed this philosophy, and he accepted the Parinamvada transformation. There are 2 kinds of transformation. One is Vastu Parinamvad, the Vastu transformation, and the Shakti Parinamvad, Shakti transformation. What Mahaprabhu told?
शक्ति परिणाम के लिए
Achintya Veda Ved and Shakti Parinamvad.
यदि को शास्त्र में लिखा है
If you say it is mentioned in the scriptures, Brahma is Nirakar, Nirvishesh,
करते हैं
so
ये जहाँ पर शास्त्र में
So it is destroying these, like that where it is mentioned that where is Nirvishesh, Nirakar is mentioned. So Bhagwan doesn't have this material form. Bhagwan, because he is Sachidanand, that's why he is Nirvishesh, he is Vikar Rahit.
प्रकाशानंद सरस्वती के साथ और सर्वभूता के साथ
So
विचार करके
Mahaprabhu had the conversation between Prakashanand Saraswati and Rai Ramanand. Brahma Shabde Mukhya Arthe Kahe Bhagwan. What is the meaning of the Brahma? It's Bhagwan.
अधिक तो बड़ी दूर की बात है उसके बराबर नहीं है।
So no one is equal to Bhagwan. So what to say that who can be greater than him? He is the unlimited power. He has unlimited power.
कितने श्लोक हैं
So there are many shlok in the scriptures which is describing the power of Bhagwan, unlimited power of Bhagwan.
वेद पुराण उपनिषद भागवत गीता सर्वत्र
Ved, Puran, Upanishad, Bhagavad Gita, everywhere he is giving the proof. But still they are not accepting that.
तो महाप्रभु ने कहा अचिंत्य
So Mahaprabhu said, he has Achintya Shakti.
यदि को शास्त्र में लिखा है ब्रह्म
If you say that it is mentioned in the scripture that Bhagwan is Nirvishesh, Nirvikar. So Bhagwan said, the Mahaprabhu said that he has Achintya Shakti.
प्रकाश अधिक
So that's why by his Achintya Shakti he is manifested the Jeev Shakti, Chit Shakti and Maya Shakti. So by the Chit Shakti he has manifested Chit Jagat, by the Maya Shakti he has manifested the Maya Jagat, and by the Jeev Shakti he has manifested the Jeev Jagat. Jeev.
स्पर्शमणि
So he has given the example that Maya Mani and medicine.
लोहा को क्या बना देते हैं?
When that touchstone touches the iron, so it becomes gold. But touchstone never becomes a gold. So it is nirvikar. Sparshmani, the touchstone.
वो स्वयं विकार नहीं होकर
So
के
it is nirvikari. It doesn't change itself. It transforms the iron into the gold.
तो उसी प्रकार
So in the same way, Bhagwan has Achintya Shakti. So what to speak about the Achintya Shakti of Bhagwan? So what is the astonish in that? What is the surprising that?
भगवान
Because this mic thing can do this thing. So what to speak about the Achintya Shakti of Bhagwan?
महाप्रभु ये समस्त विचार
So Mahaprabhu given this all kinds of views.
किंतु अद्वैतवादी लोग
But Advaitvadi people, the Mayavadi, they are not accepting this. They don't accept this.
इसलिए भक्तिवेदांत प्रभुपाद
That's why Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he used to say, their Vyas Puja is not complete. That's why Mahaprabhu
प्रभु के द्वारा श्रीवास ठाकुर जी के घर में
arranged the Vyas Puja by the Nityanand Prabhu at the home of Srinivas Thakur.
महाप्रभु स्वयं करने लगे।
Mahaprabhu said himself,
हे नित्यानंद प्रभु, काली
Hey Nityananda Prabhu,
आओ आषाढ़ी पूर्णिमा
tomorrow is Ashadi Purnima. No,
वैष्णव की पूजा
I
करें।
bought it new.
कौन वैष्णव? कृष्ण द्वैपायन वेद
So who Vyas? Krishna Dvaipayan Ved Vyas.
कृष्ण द्वैपायन वेद
We will arrange the Vyas Puja tomorrow at the house of Srinivas.
कृष्ण वर्ण होने के नाते कृष्ण का
Because his complexion was Krishna, that's why he became
है
to give one.
दास के रूप में ही प्रकट हुए है। दास की अवतार कैसा अवतार था?
He is the incarnation of
उसे कौन सा अवतार माना जाता है?
Krishna, Gunavish Avatar. Gunavish,
27 अवतार। कौन सा 27 अवतार?
Jnanavish, Jnana Shakti,
शक्ति क्यों? ज्ञान से ज्ञान
Jnana Shakti. So Vyasdev is the incarnation of Krishna, the Jnana Shakti Avatar.
समस्त ज्ञान
Because Bhagwan himself manifested all kinds of knowledge in his heart,
जैसे नारद जी के हृदय में
just like in the
क्या
Bhakti.
समस्त प्रकार की भक्ति के प्रकार
So because in the heart of Narad Rishi, Bhagwan manifested all kinds of bhakti, that's why he is an incarnation of Bhakta Avatar. In the same way, Bhagwan manifested all his Gyan into the Vyasdev.
दैवान इसलिए कहा जाए
That's why he is an incarnation of Jnana Avatar. And he has taken birth in the Tapu.
हो गया दैवान पराशर की दृष्टि शक्ति से
Because he has taken the birth in the island, that's why his name became Dvaipayan.
व्यास एक पदवी है।
व्यास शब्द के अर्थ इस तरह से ही व्यास
So what is the meaning of Vyas? Vyas meaning is spreading, vistar, spreading.
उसके व्यास का है
That is called Vyas.
व्यास का विस्तार से
So the person who preach and spread the Hari Katha, or he is called Vyas.
उन्होंने क्या विस्तार किया?
He, because he has spread and the Ved, that's why his name became Ved Vyas. That's why his name became Krishna Dvaipayan. Just because of the sidelong glance of Parashar Muni, he took birth in the womb of Matsya
गर्भ संचार कर दिया है? देखो पहले ऋषि महात्मा लोग
So look, earlier in the old age time, at the ancient time, Sant Mahatma has so much power that by their sidelong glance they can enter the
पराशर ऋषि
embryo in the womb of mother of a lady. So you have heard this katha that Vyasdev has had to cross Yamuna. Vyasdev had to what his name? Parashar Muni has to cross the Yamuna. So he went to the boatman. He said, "Hey boatman, please can you help me to cross the Yamuna?" So he said, "I am so much tired because since morning I am going here and there. So that's why I am so much tired. You do one thing. There is my little child, a young daughter. So she can help you." So when he was crossing the Yamuna at that time. There was one Apsara when she was flying.
गर्भवाद हो गया।
why his name so she was helping Vyasdev to crossing the Yamuna. So at the time what happened, why his name became Matsagandha? Because there was a Apsara, the sparrow of heaven. She was going somewhere and her embryo was miscarriage. So what happened? So it was swallowed by the fish. So that's why she has taken the birth in the womb of fish. That's why her name became Matsagandha.
पराशर ऋषि बैठे
Her embryo.
जब बीच नदी में आ गई और उन्होंने केवल उनकी ऊपर दृष्टि से विचार कर दिया और करने के साथ ही साथ वो
They are very learned.
वो लज्जित हो गई, कुमारी थी। तो क्या हुआ? तब उसने पराशर ऋषि कहने लगे कि चिंता मत करो।
So after she got carried
गर्भों से तुम्हारे गर्भ से
in her home through Parashar Muni, Parashar Muni said that you are going to get a child who is very much intelligent, by whom all the three words will get purified. And also one more boon I give you, that your dirty smell from your body will go away from now, and you will get a beautiful fragrance from your body. So at the same time, Vyas Muni's birth happened on the island of river Yamuna. So he was known as Dvaipayan. Dvaipayan means one who has born on the island. So his name became Krishna Dvaipayan. Satyavati. After that, this same Matsyagandha, later known as Satyavati, she was married with Shantanu Maharaj, and further Mahabharata Katha will come. So Krishna Dvaipayan Vedavyas means who has divided the Vedas. So he is called as Vyas, Vedavyas. Rig, Sama, Atharva, Yajur, Sama, Upanishad. 108. So 11,108 Upanishads, 4 Vedas and other Puranas. And he divided the Vedas as per Bhakti, Jnana, Karma, Aranya, Upanishad. So many things he manifested. And he also gave Vedanta Sutra. Vedanta Sutras are like thumbnails for Vedas. 550 sutras he gave. So the people of Kali Yuga are so dull and they forget so many things. From 16 to 40 years you will remember shloks. After 40 years you will start forgetting everything one by one. So what he has done? He wrote Vedanta Sutra, the thumbnails of Vedas. So it is known as Vedavyas. Vedavyas means Vistar. Vistar means expand. He gave in detail, expanded the Shastras. So all this explanation are in Shastras. So his name became Krishna Dvaipayan Vedavyas. Krishna means he was black in color. Dvaipayan, he born in the island. Vedavyas, who divided the Vedas or who expanded the Vedas. Those who speak Harikatha, they also say him as Vyas. Whoever sits on the seat of Vyasasan, he is called as Vyas. Whoever says Harikatha sitting on the Vyasasan is called as Vyas, and the asan is called as Vyaspeeth.
व्यासदेव जी ने इस जगत का प्रकाश किया।
So Vyasdev
सारे
manifested all these things.
पंचम क्या बोले? पंचम वेद,
Pancham Ved, the fifth Veda. There are 4 Vedas, and the fifth Veda is Mahabharata. He also manifested the fifth Veda, Mahabharata.
कितने पुराण आदि,
Many Puranas.
18 पुराण की विशेष,
There are so many Puranas, but very prominent are 18 Puranas.
और पुराण आदि पढ़ करके लोगों के मन क्या हो गया? विचलित।
By reading these Puranas, so many Puranas, the people started to get bewildered.
प्रथम स्कंद पंचम
So,
अध्याय में
in Srimad Bhagavatam, 1st canto, 5th chapter, Vyas Narad Samvad is there.
व्यासदेव जी ने समस्त शास्त्र आदि प्रकट कर दिया।
Vyasdev
और एक
gave so many scriptures, so many Puranas. So one time,
सरस्वती के नदी के तट पर
Vyasdev was sitting on the banks of river Saraswati
करने के पश्चात बैठे,
after taking his bath, Anik and all.
जो है एकाग्रता कर नहीं पा रहे, मन विचलित,
His mind was not able to get concentrated. He was disturbed.
अपने आप ही विचार कर नहीं पा रहे हैं।
He was thinking about
मन आज स्थिर क्यों नहीं?
his mind. Today, why my mind is so bewildered?
समय
Why it is not
इच्छा से नारद
able to focus? So, by the will of the Lord, Narad Rishi came there at that place and spoke to Vyasdev.
के कारण
He said, I will tell you why your mind is not focused, why your mind is bewildered. Then Narad Muni said,
ये आपने जितने भी ग्रंथ आदि लिखे,
whatever the scriptures you have written till now, by reading this,
चंचलता
all the people are getting bewildered, not able to understand.
क्यों?
They are becoming confused.
आपने जो ग्रंथ आदि को लिखा, उस ग्रंथ में स्पष्टीकरण नहीं किया। ये भगवान कौन है?
In the scriptures, whichever you have written, people are getting confused.
भगवान के
Who is the Lord?
सबके मालिक
But there is one Lord.
एक है। मालिक तो एक है।
The God is one.
ये तो है। कि तू मालिक कौन है?
But who is that God?
इस घर के मालिक कौन है?
Who is the owner of this house?
एक मालिक। तो
He is
मालिक
one
कौन है?
owner. Then who is that one owner? The people are not able to understand. If you read Vishnu Puran, the people think Vishnu is the Swayam Bhagavan. If you read Shiv Puran, then people think Shiv is the God. If you read Brahma Vairta Puran, then Brahma is the God. You think like that.
तो भगवान यदि एक हो
If Bhagavan is one, if the God is one,
तो इतने क्यों?
then why so many people? Shiva, Brahma. Then how to conclude with one God?
कितने नाम है?
And there are so many devatas name, so people getting confused.
सर्वोत्तम गुण के द्वारा एक तो मनुष्य जो है
Sattva, Rajatam. Due to these 3 modes, people are getting confused.
और फिर अनेक देव देवियां
And still so many devatas, devis, demigods.
देवी पुराण पढ़िए,
If you read Devi Puran,
देवी सब
people will get confused that Devi is Supreme Personality, Durga is Supreme Person.
काली दुर्गा आदि पुराण आदि पढ़े, आपको ऐसे लगेगा वही सब कुछ है।
Like whatever in Puran you read, you will think he is the Supreme, he is the Supreme. There are so many devatas praised by Vyasvesa.
इसलिए
That's why
इसको जो दिखा है, इसलिए स्पष्टीकरण करना पड़ता है। लोग विवाद आम इस तरीके इनका कहना प्रबद्धते अन्न देवता।
so we have to get cleared with all these things. Arjuna asked this question,
जगदीश हरे कृष्ण आप ही सर्वेश्वर हो,
Hey Krishna, you are the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
पूजा करते हैं।
Then why people worship so many other devatas?
आम इस तरीके इनका कहना प्रबद्धते, इस संसार में लोग अनेक प्रकार कामना वासना के द्वारा
These material people have so many desires, so they worship other devatas.
भगवान को
They don't know who is the Bhagavan, God. So the Narad Rishi said to Vyasadev, please publish a latest Puran. please manifest a latest Puran which says Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Please manifest and prove that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So then, first point. And the second point, what is the second point? Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. These are the four Purushartha. In many scriptures, Dharma is praised more. In other Puranas, Artha, in some Puran, Kam, in some Puran, Moksha are praised. Like so many other material desires. Dharma, Artha, Kama and Mukti. In another scripture it is written on Mukti. After Mukti then what? What after Mukti? So Narad Muni wrote, Narad Muni said, the second point, write a such Purana that which is more than Dharma, Artha, Kama and Moksha. Four Chaturpala Purushartha. So you tell about the fifth Purushartha which is Krishna Prem. Dharma, Artha, Kama and Moksha is not the ultimate goal of Jiva until and unless he attains the Krishna Prem, Krishna Bhakti. And fourth point, what he said? Whatever the pastimes of Lord Krishna, you please write those pastimes in sequence. In many Puranas you find the Leelas are not in sequence. If you see Garga Samhita, you will get confused. You need to connect the dots. Like in Puranas, it's not clearly mentioned which Krishna, Dwarkadish Krishna, Mathuradish Krishna, Vrindavanish Krishna. People get confused. Which Krishna? So Narad Muni said, you write in the sequence, first you manifest Vrindavan Leela. From the birth pastime, you start. After that, how Krishna goes with friends to graze the cows. After that, how Krishna is having the loving affection with gopis. After the Vrindavan Leela, you then mention Mathura Leela in sequence. After Mathura Leela, then Dwarka Leela you manifest. After that, the departure of Krishna or Antardahan Leela. Then people will understand. And especially the Krishna's ultimate Leela, the Ras Leela. You mentioned this very perfectly. So the great demigods like Brahma, Shiva and other devatas are struggling to get this fifth Purusharth, which is Bhakti, like Uddhav and many other devotees who enjoy this Prem Bhakti. You please mention all these things, Vyasadeva. After that, Narad Muni said, you take the shelter of Bhakti Yoga. Through the Bhakti Yoga, you will get everything in your heart. After that, Vyasadeva went to Samadhi. He took shelter of Bhakti Yoga and then he manifested all the beautiful pastimes of Lord Krishna in Bhagavatam. Vyasadeva said, through Bhakti Yoga only, the Purna Purush, Krishna ka darshan means Krishna's darshan happened only with Bhakti Yoga. And then Vyasadeva had darshan of all childhood pastimes of Lord Krishna. After that, he saw all the jivas. He had darshan how Krishna is manifesting jivas. In the jiva, two jiv, but the jiv and mukta jiv. How mukta jiv means the mukta jivs comes and they perform bhakti yoga and again they go back to Godhead. And maya jiv, they bond in this material world again and again. And this material jivas also, after following the bhakti yoga, they go back to Godhead.
और उनको क्या देखा माया की भी देखा वो माया के कृष्ण से दूर है.
So what he saw Maya also, the Maya which was away from Krishna. Wherever Krishna stays, Maya will stay away. Why? Because Maya is Lord's Jada Shakti, material Shakti. Staying away also, she will start working, obeying the Lord's order. So Vyas Muni, by the mercy of Narad Muni, he took shelter of Bhakti Yoga and wrote this Bhagavad Puran. And all these pastimes are mentioned in Srimad Bhagavatam. The essence of all Vedas and scriptures is Srimad Bhagavatam. Whoever enjoys the Srimad Bhagavat, whoever engage in Srimad Bhagavatam, he will never go and taste other Puranas or other things. Who get the taste in Srimad Bhagavatam will not go here and there. He will stick to Srimad Bhagavatam because that is the highest. If Srimad Bhagavatam would have not manifested, then we could not able to understand so many beautiful pastimes of Lord Krishna. So in this way, we remember all pastimes of Lord Krishna. So Vyasdev's written in Srimad Bhagavatam. This is Vyasdev's book. Vyas Puja's meaning is also in this way. This is the vichar of Vyasadev. We have to accept this vichar of Vyasadev. In Advaitavadis, this is a fault. They accept Vyas, but the vichar of Vyas they do not accept. They know everything, but still they do not accept. And everyone are scholars. Everyone knows Sanskrit very well, but still they do not accept Vyasadev. And it is said that Bhagavan has bewildered these people through his Maya. Still they know everything, but still they cannot accept. So today is the appearance day of Vyasadev. Mahaprabhu showed this Leela, how to do Vyas Puja. Now it's been time, Maharaj is winding up the session. What Vyasdev showed, how Mahaprabhu celebrated this Vyas Puja in the Srivas Angan, Srivas Prabhu's house. Through Nityanand Prabhu, he arranged a Vyas Puja. Oh Shripad, please listen. Tomorrow we are going to do Vyas Puja. In whose house? So Nityanand Prabhu says, we will do in Srivas Pandit's house. Mahaprabhu was laughing and said, Srivas is very poor Brahman. In his house there is no rats also. It means there is nothing eatable. So how can we celebrate Vyas Puja? So many people come, we have to arrange prasad for them, and so many other arrangements has to be done. How we can do? But Srivas, what Srivas Thakur said, Oh Mahaprabhu, wherever you stay, everything will come there. You give mercy unto me and give this seva to me. Tomorrow we will celebrate Vyas Puja. And the next day, early morning, all the devotees assembled in Srivas Pandit's house. And nobody knows from where all the essential things came from. Srivasji is an Ananya Bhakt. Rice, dal, sabji, vegetables, everything came automatically. Even the devatas took the form of humans and came in Srivas Pandit's house to celebrate Vyas Puja. This is not ordinary. The Mahaprabhu is not ordinary. He is Lord Krishna's incarnation. And from the morning, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu started to do Nam Sankirtan in Srivas Pandit's house. And it became afternoon. At the afternoon, Mahaprabhu said, "Now everyone sit. We have to honor Prasad." Before honoring Prasad, we should offer Pushpanjali. We should offer flowers to Vyasadev's lotus feet. Now first, who will offer the flowers to the lotus feet of Vyasadev? Then Mahaprabhu said, Nityananda Prabhu will do. Whose disciple was Nityananda Prabhu? Nityananda Prabhu was the disciple of Lakshmipati Tirtha. And in many other scriptures, it is also said he is the disciple of Madhavendra Puri also.
तो उन्होंने आप लोग कृपा करके ऐसे करके पीछे ठाकुर जी के पीछे तो नित्यानंद प्रभु पहले पुष्पांजलि
So Nityananda Prabhu will offer first flowers to Vyasadev's lotus feet. Nityananda Prabhu took the garland and stood up. And he was standing only. He did not offer. So Mahaprabhu said, "Go and offer flowers to Vyas Puj. Oh Nityananda, go and do." Nityananda Prabhu took the garland and gave it to Mahaprabhu. Nityananda Prabhu took the garland and gave it to the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Why? Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Lord Krishna himself. When Lord Krishna is present here in the form of Mahaprabhu, and who was the Vyas there? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was the Vyas. In this way, Nityananda Prabhu gives teachings for us. So, how our Guru Parampara starts? Our Guru Parampara starts from Krishna to Brahma, Brahma to Narad, Narad to Vyas. So, the first person of Guru Parampara is Krishna. In the Gaudiya Vedanta Siddhanta, Krishna is the first Guru. After Brahma, after Narad. After Narad, it's Vyas. In the same way, Parampara starts. Guru Parampara. What does Guru does? Guru will not take his puja. Guru will offer to his Guru or previous acharyas. And all the disciples, he will engage them in the Guru Seva. What is the meaning of president? President means the country's first servant. What does the Guru thinks? He thinks, I am servant of my Guru. So it is showed in Guru Tattva. What is Bhagwan? Bhagwan is Sevya and Guru, Sevak. Guru. What does a Guru does? Through his teachings, practically he follows first, and he also teaches the same thing to his disciples. Like how the previous acharyas also
सेवा आदि
did the same seva.
गुरु शब्द के अर्थ होता है,
The Guru also does the seva.
गुरु शब्द के प्रभुपाद लिखते हैं
The Prabhupada writes what is the meaning of Guru.
सेवा की मूर्त विग्रह,
Guru is the
भगवत सेवा की
साक्षात
मूर्त विग्रह ही गुरुपाद को
Sakshat Bhagavad Seva
पूर्ण रूप में नहीं,
Murti,
वास्तव रूप में हम देखें
practical form of
नहीं होता है।
God's servant.
ये सेवा की मूर्त विग्रह, समस्त प्रकार की सेवा की वो
Is the embodiment of all kind of seva,
झाड़ू देना से लेकर के
from cleaning to cooking.
चंडी पाठ, जूतों सिलाई चंडी पाठ, हम सब जानते हैं।
He knows everything.
सब प्रकार
He is an
की
all-rounder.
सेवा को
All kind of seva, he is an expert in all kind of seva. Charanaravindam.
झाड़ू देने से लेकर के कहाँ कुंज सेवा
From cleaning
सब
to Kunj Seva, he knows everything. He will do everything.
सेवा चातुर्य के देख करके ललिता विशाखा आदि भी
By seeing the expert seva of this, even Lalita and Vishaka,
गुरु उपास सखी की
they will do Guru Upasya.
उनकी सलाह लेके
They take suggestions from Guru.
कुंज के
Today, how we should decorate Radha Krishna's Kunja, what kind of Leela we should today get ready for. Yukti, logic. Even although the all Sakhis or they know very well, still they ask Guru. Guru is a very deep tattva. Guru means very heavy. The word Guru itself says it is very heavy. It is not light, it is very heavy. Guru means heavy. It's been time. We should have also remembered Sanatan Goswami Pad. How Sanatan Goswami Pad had Shraddha, how he had love towards other people, all these things. Sanatan Goswami Pad was having natural love to all Brajvasis. Today, although his disappearance day, all the Brajvasis now, today, to remember his disappearance day, they shave their head and they do Govardhan Parikrama.
हमारे ब्रह्मचारी सन्यासी तो करते हैं, बाकी जो करते हैं कोई करता है वो जो घर के जो दूसरा जो करेंगे करता है किंतु देखो सत्य नहीं करते। आज के नाम ही का क्या करेगा, मूढ़ पूर्णिमा कहेगा, मूढ़ पूर्णिमा कहते हैं ना, और उनके देखो स्मरण करके सब लोग क्या करते हैं।
By remembering this, Jai. By remembering the disappearance day of Sanatan Goswami, all the Vrajvasis shave their head and they do Giriraj Parikrama. But nowadays, many people are not doing also. So this was the love Sanatan Goswami Pad had, love towards Brajvasi. And Brajvasis were treating him as elder brother. Hari Bol.
जय श्री सनातन में संपाद जय जय जय